Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 1. It's a beautiful poem with title, Four Things. Today is the second part of Lecture 4. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under this lecture, we'll learn to write a poem and we'll cover page number 7 and 8 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have taught you to make a list of rhyming words from the poem. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again and we'll learn further to write the central idea of a given poem in simple language. We'll list rhyming words and write a poem based on the same central idea, and we'll write multi-syllable words with correct spellings. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentioned in Surah At-Tawbah, verse 119. O you who believe, be careful of your duty to Allah and be with the true ones. Yes, my dear children, as I told you yesterday, this beautiful verse is a great motivation for us to speak the truth and to help the people who are truthful. So this was one of the lessons we learned from our poem, and we are going to learn further today. First, you tell me, how do the words rhyme together? Okay, and also, what does the poem, four things which we learned yesterday, what does this poem teach us? Pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you have answered same, that the words with the same ending sound, like their ending sound is same, are called rhyming words. For example, nose, rose, king, ring, and many more. So their ending sound, when their ending sound is same, they rhyme together, and that's why they are called rhyming words. For example, what is this? A picture of shell. Good. So what words rhyme with shell? Think about it. Shell, bell, cell, tell, and many more, right? Likewise, it's a picture of lake. So what does rhyme with lake? Yes, lake, cake, bake, and many more, right? So these are rhyming words. Now, you will make a list of rhyming words from this poem. This poem we have already read. You pause the video and make a list of rhyming words in your notebook. Write all the rhyming words in your notebook. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you listed all these words: do, true, clearly, sincerely, purely, and securely. These are the pair of rhyming words used in this poem. All right, so what we are going to do, it's an activity time, very interesting activity I do have for you. And what we'll do, your teacher will, a pair of rhyming words will be distributed among your class by your teacher. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, I have given a list of rhyming words in lesson plan. You may take words from there. You can write words in paper slips and distribute all these slips in the class. And if you want to have your own list, it's up to you. What you will do next, every one of you will have one word, and the one of your classmates will have a word that rhymes with yours, right? When all of you will get paper slips, you will have one word in your hand, and one of your class fellow will be having a rhyming word with that. So you will start reading and you will listen attentively to the words which your classmates will pronounce. One of the child will stand up, he or she will read the word in his hand. Now the rest of the class will listen carefully, and the child who will be having a rhyming word, he or she will raise hand that I have rhyming word with this. And in this way, all the rhyming words will be paired together, and students will keep writing the pairs of rhyming words of good behavior. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, I have added good behavior rhyming words in the word list. You may take from that, and whatever the rhyming words are there which shows good behavior, you will keep listing them. All right, in this way. All right, now pause the video and enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Now all of you have pair of rhyming words with you. All right, and this list which your teacher have written on board, you will keep it safe because we are going to use it later. What is next? It's a central idea. What is the central idea of a poem? What is a central idea? Basically, the central idea is the message or opinion that the writer wants to convey to the reader. Because whatever we write, there is a central idea behind that. Okay, so whenever we read a poem or text, we should focus what is the central, what is the message of all the text. And a central idea often teaches us a moral lesson. Okay, and it is a common idea that can be applied to anyone. All right, so central idea, these are the points which tells us what the central idea is. Now the poem, 4 things we have read. Can you tell me the central idea of the poem? Okay, teachers, pause the video and take the opinion from few students. What do they think? What is the central idea of this poem? Yes, my dear students, I hope you know the central idea of this poem is about the things that a man must do in his life in order to make his and others' life better. This is a simple statement which tells us the central idea of this poem. All right, now after understanding the central idea, listing rhyming words and making a list of good behavior rhyming words separate, we'll do another thing, a very interesting activity again. And what we are supposed to do? You will use these multi-syllable because the word list which we have, it has multi-syllable words and you will use these words to write a simple poem on the central idea of the poem, 4 things. Okay, you may select words from the list of rhyming words written on the board, which I told you good behavior rhyming words are written on board. You may use those words and check your poem after writing, check your poem for rhyming words and spellings. All right, so rhyming words are there. I'm going to show it to you. You will use these words, you will write your own poem. I'm going to write my own. So after this, we'll see how we use these rhyming words. Pause the video and write a beautiful poem, all of you. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Have you written your poem? Good job. So recite aloud your poem in your class and teachers kindly appreciate students for their effort and correct them for rhyming words and spellings if needed, right? So I told you I'm also going to write my poem. First, I will recite my poem aloud and then it will be your turn. All right, here is my poem. A person is beautiful if he is dutiful. With the youngers, he is kind, as childhood they remind. By elders respect, a lot of love to collect. Everyone's unity makes a strong community. Right? Now you see, I used the rhyming words which we mentioned in previous good behavior slide, and after using these rhyming words, I made a poem which has the same central idea what 4 things poem had. Okay, so this is how we use a central idea, rhyming words together, and we can write many poems on the same central idea. All right, so what you will do, it's your homework. You will write the central idea of the poem 4 things in your own simple words. And I have given you a worksheet. Dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students. And students, you will complete this diagram, this spider diagram for good manners. So what we have learned today, we are able to list rhyming words. We learned to write a short and simple poem, and we are able to learn about the central idea of a poem. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs, that was to write the central idea of a given poem in simple language, list rhyming words and write poem based on the same central idea, and write multisyllable words in with correct spellings. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.